So I'm going to do an unboxing of my Minolta. It's MN4KP1. So it's a little handheld device. It's a camera. It has 16 MP photo resolution, 4K Ultra HD video resolution, wireless connectivity, 1.3 LCD monitor, PC camera, time-lapse recording, and it's waterproof. It comes with a case. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this. What I like about it, it came with a case. See, that's always nice for it to come with a case. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. And then it came with, okay, this is the charger. Came with a little case here. This case is for it to go inside, and then it becomes waterproof. Okay. And then the camera, of course, you can turn it around like that. It goes all the way around. And this here is the little screen. So just look, it fits in the palm of my hand. So it's not very big. And that's awesome for when you are going to, you know, go out vlogging and stuff. You don't want to, like my phone is kind of getting heavy, but this is really cute. So we're gonna, you know, try to use this when I go out and stuff. And I'm sorry if you guys hear that cars and stuff. I'm outside doing this video. So that's when I turn it on. Oh, you guys can see me. We don't want to see me. I just woke up. Okay, go ahead. See, like, so I can just turn it sideways. You can see the sky. Okay. There you go. At the end of this video, I'll put a little clip of the video. Okay. I'm still learning about this camera. So I guess it times out if I'm not, I don't know that, because it kind of went dark, yeah? That's like taking the picture. Okay. Okay, so that's the camera. And it came with attachments. So this is, I can probably put it on top of my tripod adapter. And then this is some other adapter where we can, like, it's a clip. And then it does come with a little, like, a microphone? Oh, that's cute. I didn't know it. Yeah, I just kind of opened it now. I thought it was like an earphone, but it's a microphone. That's cute. Okay. And it does come with this too. Oh, and it also came with an SD card. Yeah, it came with an SD card. So right here is the SD card. It goes in there. And then you can reset it there. And charging, and let's see. Okay, and you can use the line in for the microphone as well. Okay. Alrighty guys, so this is right here, this is the Minolta. It's the MN4KP1. And it is very convenient. Let's get a close-up of this flower here. Alright guys, so this is without the microphone. I'm gonna do like a video today with the microphone and stuff in it. But this was I did this one yesterday, so I just wanted to see the quality of the video. But we're gonna test it out today, so stay tuned for the video for tomorrow. We're gonna do 1 minute of this. Ooh. I really hope it's is a good little camera because I just use it like when I go out and stuff. You know. Hi, Nabia, sister.